everybody, welcome. Today I will be showing you guys how to create an origami penguin. So this is what we will be creating, and for today's origami project we will be using some origami paper and a pencil or marker. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to take our origami paper and we are going to position it like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to join these two ends. So take your paper, pick it up, line up these two ends like so, and once you like your paper placement, you can go ahead and make a crease like that. And you know, with origami, you do a lot of folding and unfolding, so we are going to go ahead and unfold what we just did. And we are going to now add right across, fold right across the middle. So you're gonna go ahead and take your paper and join those two ends like so. Make sure your edges or corners are lined up very nicely. This will make for your future folds to be a lot easier. So you have this, and again you're going to unfold like this. So the next step is to create sort of like a double layer pattern going. So we are going to again fold, but this time we're going to fold horizontally along this middle crease. So you're going to take the bottom edge of your origami paper and you're going to bring it up like this. And you want that to be right below that middle crease. So you're going to go ahead and crease your paper once you like that layer placement like this, and it should look something like this. If you flip it over, you're able to see that crease we created earlier, which is okay. So now we have flipped our paper over and we're going to create the wings of this origami piece like this. So we are going to be working on these steps. So we're going to take our paper and we're going to start with the left side because that is the side I like starting with. And we are going to bring it over towards the middle. You can pass that middle crease a bit if you would like. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm going to be folding somewhere along there, so I'm going to make my crease. And once I have done this step, which is to make my crease right here, I'm going to create another crease right along this edge. So I try to use my finger to guide where I fold. So taking this wing again, I'm going to bring it back like that. And depending on how big you want your wings to be, you can adjust that. I want my wings to be pretty big, so I'm going to be making a smaller fold like that. And if I flip it over, it should look something like this. So I'm going to continue working on this other side. And I'm going to be repeating the same two steps I repeated on this side. So go ahead and take your paper, bring it on over. It doesn't have to be perfect. Create your crease like that. It should look something like this. And now we're going to bring this wing back over to the right. So folding along like that. And once you like your placement, you crease. And it could look something like this. Again, you flip it over and it looks something like that. So now we are going to be working on the remainder portion, which is going to be the beak and the head. So to create our beak, we are going to take this top layer right here, and we are just going to fold it over like so and crease. And it should look something like that. Just go over it so it stays down. So now we are going to fix the shape of the head. We want a shape that's a little bit more round instead of triangular. So we're going to flip our penguin back over, and again, we're just going to pick up this edge and bring it down like so. You can try to line it up with that middle crease we created in our first steps, and just make sure you go over it with your fingers so it is nice and clean. And we're going to flip it over. So now this is the fun part, which is to add the eyes of our penguin. Some people like to make their eyes a little bit more animated. I am not that creative, so I am just going to add some eyes like that. Try to make them as even as possible, like so. And you should end up with something like this. And now my penguin has a penguin friend, and they're going to be friends in the North Pole forever. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you guys later on. Goodbye!